Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to tell you about the best deals going on over at Target and at Walmart for the week. If you're new here, what I do is I share the best deals going on over at different stores, but I also try to teach you the tricks and tips that I use to save my family money. And I try to show you everything that I do. That way you can pick and choose what works for you and what makes sense for you and your family. So I'll be walking you through each of the deals. That way you can replicate them if you want for both Target and for Walmart. But I've also started sharing what I'm cooking for dinner at my house. So I'll share that in this video as well. Now, I will tell you that yesterday was frustrating because normally on Tuesdays I do my shopping for Walmart and Target, but the Ibotta app was down. It wasn't working. So that made shopping and knowing which offers had Ibotta rebates really challenging. So like a good thing is Ibotta started working late last night. But the downside is then I had to go back to the store to finish up my shopping at like 9:30 at night, which I did not want to do, but I did. So I ended up waking up later than I wanted this morning, so that's why I threw my hair in pigtails. And I'm trying to get this out as quickly as possible for you guys. So let's first talk about Target. Still look in the frozen section for clearance. I'm still seeing clearance items. I got this bird's eye veggie mix and it looks really good. It's sweet potatoes, broccoli, and cauliflower for $1.89, so that was 50% off. So definitely check the frozen section if you like having that stuff in your freezer. The Downy Tide laundry products, 50% off. So I happened to see this Downy Bliss on an end cap, and it was originally $10.99. The price is $5.49, but there is a 20% off Target Circle offer for these, as well as a $1 digital coupon. So I ended up paying just $3.39 for this. Amber and Rose. I have no idea if I'm gonna like how this smells, but that was an amazing deal. The Tide even better deal. I think this is originally like 12 something. It was marked to $6.49, 20% off Target Circle, but a $2 digital coupon. So I paid $3.19 for this big thing of Tide, regularly like $12.99, I believe. So amazing deal. Check the laundry aisle. Now, near that section, go ahead and grab you one of these Glade plugins. They're $1.79. There's a $2.79 Target Circle offer. But last night, I realized there's also a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. So that makes it completely free and a 50-cent moneymaker. The kombucha, the remedy, this was a great deal. I heard about this over on Instagram from Total Savings. $7.99 minus the 50% Target Circle. There's also a $1 digital coupon. So I paid $2.99, got back $2 on Ibotta, making my final cost just 99 cents. Now, this was a deal that I was trying to make work when I was in the app, and I was like, yeah, it's not good enough. But when I got to the store, it was actually even cheaper. So at the store, it's priced at $4.94. On my app, it said it was like $5.99, I believe. So $4.94 in the store. And then there is a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making these Horizon yogurt packs just $1.94. The other thing I got at Target, these Moonshot Crackers. Now be careful because these things are so good, but they're $3.99 a box. So I picked up 2 boxes. Is that gonna stay? No. All right, I'm gonna sit that there. I picked up 2 boxes at $3.99. I submitted for a rebate that I will link for you guys down below. That's buy one, get one free. So I got $3.99 back from the rebate. And then there's a $1.50 Ibotta on each of them, so $3 back on Ibotta, making my final cost 99 cents or 49 cents per box, and I love these. I haven't tried, there was another one like rosemary or something. I haven't tried that one, but the sourdough ones are really good. So I think that was everything at Target. So what's cooking this week? And then I'll get to my Walmart deals. On Sunday, I made Impossible Burgers, and I made that with balsamic veggies. So When I'm planning my meals, I start by looking what I have in my freezer, in my fridge, in my pantry, because I want to plan meals around the things I already have, the things that we've likely gotten a deal on before. So we had those keto buns that we got for free in a moneymaker last week, so I wanted to use those. Now, the Impossible meat I had gotten as a Swag Bucks deal a while back, so I went ahead and made Impossible burgers. And then I did the balsamic roasted veggies because last week I had sweet potatoes and green beans left over and I wanted to make sure I used those. So I added in some other veggies and just did one of my favorite roasted veggie recipes. So that was Sunday night. Or am I lying? Was that Monday? It doesn't matter what day. I did ground turkey tacos yesterday, Tuesday, for National Taco Day. I had gotten beans for free at HEB, so I did beans, rice, and then tacos, the taco seasoning, and the taco shells. I got buy one, get one free at Walgreens. And honestly, I think the ground turkey I had gotten on clearance at Walgreens, and it's been in my freezer. Monday night I did the curry roasted veggie and avocado naan. I had pita bread left over from the week before, so I know it's supposed to be naan, but I had that pita bread left over and I didn't want to waste it. So I did one of my favorite recipes. I love the curry roasted chickpeas with avocado and zucchini and tomatoes. It was delicious. If you want links to all of these recipes, pop on over to my website, savingwithchristina.com. I link to all the recipes. That way you know exactly how to make them. 2 new recipes that I'm doing for the rest of the week. Pasta pomodoro with shrimp. My son loves shrimp and pasta. And then a crunchy Thai salad. When I'm on Instagram, I'll see amazing salad recipes that look so good. And honestly, I don't want to make them. I just want to eat them. But I'm going to try out one that I saw. I saved it to Instagram, and I'm excited to try that one. So that's what I'm cooking this week. If you like hearing that and you like seeing the recipes, please let me know because it takes me a lot of time to put it together. And I know you guys said you were interested. So give me some feedback on that. If you're liking seeing that, I would like to know. Okay, Walmart deals. Pretty awesome haul over at Walmart. Again, let's talk about clearance. Check the frozen section in like the gluten-free meat substitute area. I found these Morningstar Farms apple-flavored sausage patties, $1.12. But there's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 12 cents, and it was a limit of 5. I only grabbed 2 of them. There were a bunch, but I have no idea if I like these or not, and my freezer's starting to get full. So 12 cents a pack, amazing deal. Now, if you guys aren't using Ibotta yet, definitely try it out. Use my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, I love, love, love these Dream Pops. This is with the ice cream near the dairy-free because it's dairy-free. They're $3.98 each, but you want to pick up 2 of them. I have a rebate that I'll link below that's going to give you the cost of one of them back. So you're going to get $3.98 back, but there's an $1.50 rebate on Ibotta times 2. You'll get $3 back, making it 98 cents for both of them or 49 cents each. So if you haven't done that rebate yet, awesome, awesome deal. The Perfect Bar I had not found yet. I finally found it. It was $2.37, getting back $2.49 on Ibotta. It was supposed to be like a free after rebate, but it actually became free and a little bit of a moneymaker, so that was awesome. We talked about these, the M&Ms. There's an offer on Fetch Rewards. Now, I did not have the 100% points back on Fetch. I had 50%. But a couple of days later, I got the 100% one added, so I had both, and I was curious. Now, if I buy one, am I going to get both of them credited? And I did. So this was $1.98. I got $1.98 back on Fetch, and then 99 cents back on Fetch, making it free, and a 99-cent moneymaker. The let's see, what do I want to talk about next? The banana. I'll tell you about this one. So I've talked to y'all about the Makina app before. It's one I don't use as much, but they have fresh fruits and veggies, and then they have healthier products. So I picked up this one banana at 24 cents. I got back 10 cents on the Makina app, making it just 14 cents. Now, again, you can join Makina completely free. Use my referral code. They also had a rebate on the Udis, is that how you say that? Bread, and this is gluten-free bread, so normally pretty expensive, but it was on clearance for $2.68 at Walmart. I think it's normally right around $7. And then I got $1.30 back on the Makina app, making it just $1.38. And I'm excited to try this bread. It's frozen, so you'd find it in the freezer section. Now, last week I told you about Social Nature. Again, I'll link down below where you can sign up with them. I don't get anything for that, so I don't know if y'all want to know that or not. But it's just a program that I've been using to try out products, and then I provide my feedback for them giving me the product for free. So I did 2 of those offers this week. The Sky Valley Sriracha, it's $4.97. So scan the coupon at checkout. It actually did not scan for some reason. They had to push it through, but I got $4.97 off, making it completely free. The other one was this Gatsby chocolate. So this is $3.88. The coupon from Social Nature scanned just fine. So I paid $0 at checkout, but there was 2 different rebates. So I bought a rebate for $1.25. Then there was a Shopkick rebate for $1.20. So that made this bar completely free and a $2.25 moneymaker. And I'm excited to try a new chocolate. The other Shopkick deals I did, again, I ate the turkey. I did this last week. There's a couple different ways you can do this on Shopkick. You can buy just the Sara Lee Deli turkey, and you'll get $2 back on Shopkick. So I bought one that was like $1.78, got $2 back on Shopkick, making it completely free. Or you can buy it with the pickles. So the pickles are $4.78. This was $1.78, so I got back $4.60 for buying both, and then $1.50 for buying the pickles. So that makes it 46 cents for both of them together. So whichever deal makes more sense for you, that's how you would want to do it. I did not buy the pickles again. This I bought last week. I just bought the meat this week and got it completely free. The Knorr is also a Shopkick deal. This was on clearance for 32 cents. There is a Shopkick offer giving 40 cents back, making this completely free and an 8-cent moneymaker. So I used Ibotta, I used Fetch Rewards, I used Shopkick, and I think that was it on the apps that I used, other than, of course, the Target Circle, which is just the normal Target app. And so I want to say for everything, and I didn't add it up, I got like a general idea. It was just over $12 for hundreds of dollars worth of products. I mean, that $12 would have been this Tide by itself, not on clearance. So pretty happy with what I got this week. More importantly, I'm excited to share it with you guys and hopefully save your family some money. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, but I hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks.